Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the WEB5INU token. Now this token was in the top gainer section today on CoinMarketCap. Right now it's still up 42.89%. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. WEB5INU. So WEB5 is the ticker symbol for this token. I believe this is a brand new token as well. I was looking at their Twitter earlier, and it seemed like this token just came out. So they do have a full white paper listed here on CoinMarketCap along with their price chart, contract address. Official webpage is web5inu.org. BSC scans on here. Medium, Twitter, GitHub, and Telegram are all available now on CoinMarketCap. So this is a Binance Smart Chain token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You would go into the dApps, you would find Pancake Swap, and you would trade your BSC for the WEB5INU token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap. Their BSC scan webpage, white paper, you can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics. Now, according to their BSC scan, it says they have 55,605 holders. Now, I'm not sure if that's from airdrops or what, but that seems like an excessive amount of holders there. Looks like it's probably some kind of airdrops because I see like on their BSC scan, it says 37 seconds ago, 52 seconds ago, 2 minutes ago. All these transfers from something called the WEB5INU deployer. So it definitely looks like and it's all mostly the same amount of tokens. So definitely is some kind of airdrops going on. Now, they also have a bunch of links here for their socials on their BSC scan. It says 9 decimal places on this token. That is a million billion and a total supply of 1 quadrillion tokens. So it says WEB5INU, the next generation decentralized finance cryptocurrency, has mapped out a number of decentralized finance utilities in an effort to stand out and take control of the DeFi market. These services range from top-tier charting solutions to leading DEX aggregator and NFT platforms. It says, first off, WEB5INU would provide industry-leading real-time data analysis at your fingertips with an advanced charting solution as part of its core offerings, developing original trading methods, predicting market moves, and monitoring and duplicating the most successful wallets are all included in the charting solution. It might be possible to establish an economic model that would reward owners for placing advertisements. Bots can be used to develop a distinctive trading technique and optimal profit. Secondly, WEB5INU strives to offer users better rates for cryptocurrency swaps than any single crypto exchange could as leading aggregators of decentralized exchanges. WEB5INU's DEX aggregator provides users with better rates for any crypto swaps than any other top aggregator decentralized exchanges. In addition, helps to save consumers time by eliminating the need for them to manually search for each exchange for the most competitive swap costs. A native token can also be created to help reduce the gas fees. Beyond its capabilities as a leading provider of charting solutions, WEB5INU also aims to provide a platform for NFT artists and developers. Think Rarity and OpenSea. tools that can list, mint, rank top projects by categories, volume, owner count, and most crucially, rate the individual NFTs in a project by rarity, and are put in a single platform to enable potential NFT buyers to either buy the floor NFTs or the alphas. In order to serve all demographics of NFT collectors, Ethereum, the primary chain, as well as Solana and Polygon chain, will be made available as part of the secondary NFT platform. So it says blockchain businesses are jumping into the idea of decentralized internet, and Web3 is bustling with them. The Blockhead, TBH, one of the Bitcoin business units with Jack Dorsey's Block, created WEB5 on the Bitcoin network, formerly Square. The platform intends to give applications decentralized identity and data storage. According to the firm, it allows developers to focus on developing enjoyable user experiences while restoring control of the data and identity of individuals. The term Web3 refers to the upcoming version of the internet, which is expected to replace Web2, which is more centralized and centered on user-generated content. Web3 envisions a decentralized internet that puts control and data in the hands of the internet users, undermining the dominance of big companies. In short, Web3 basically means that user data is dispersed across networks and that no organization owns the data. Some of the use cases of Web3 would be DAOs, DeFi, stablecoins, central bank digital currencies, private and digital infrastructure, and creator economies, enablers like NFTs and blockchain-based games. The existing problems with data privacy are what make Web3 special. So they go over Web3 versus Web5 here. Web5 is the name of Jack Dorsey's latest and most advanced strategy. And basically this is Web5 is Web2 plus Web3 is where this comes from. And you can read more about that in their white paper. Now the tokenomics for this token, it says total supply is 10 trillion tokens. But it looks like their total supply on their BSC scan says 1 quadrillion, so that's strange. It says there is taxes, that there's going to be, you set your slippage to 2%, it says 1.5% is reflections. It's a deflationary token that burns a further 0.75 on every transaction. And it says 50% of the tokens will get burned from the 10 trillion supply, which again is strange because that's not what it says. So the utility for the WEB5INU token is going to be charting utility, an extra decentralized Web3 platform here, charting utility economy model. You can go over that on their white paper here. So yeah, different charting solution tools. They're going to have their own decentralized exchange called the WEB5INU exchange. And then they go over the order routing for that on their white paper as well. They're going to have limit order protocol, exchange fees, DAO governance. So you're going to have voting rights for this token here as well. And there's going to be an NFT marketplace. Like I said, it's going to be on Ethereum and then also Polygon and the Solana chain eventually as well. And besides that, you can see when each individual utilities come out on their roadmap if you like, at web5inu.org. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Web5INU? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.